For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
With decentralized finance, DeFi, turning into all the rage, calculation and science-upheld digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain framework world. While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. As of now, governing the Atom digital money trades, Cosmos Network is flooding ahead with tender mint core and its exceptional Byzantine fault tolerance, having proclaimed its speculation worth $15 million. Universe digital money can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos Network helps the development of Atom token. Universe digital currency, all the more prominently known by its local symbolic Atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing marvels. Before we start with a real Cosmos cost forecast, we should actually take a look at itemized outline of the coin. Universe, ATOM, the mystery decoded. Universe is portrayed as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights brilliant agreement usefulness as well as offers a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any mediators included. Universe biological system additionally contains Cosmos Hub. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Universe Network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine fault-tolerant agreement model to approve exchanges. Universe is a token on the Cosmos Hub. Particle tokens are utilized for security purposes. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money, the whole peculiarity and essential focal point of Cosmos, ATOM, is programmability. This permits the client to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples which can be based on the stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and apps, decentralized applications, and constant turns of events and redesigns. Universe, ATOM, the global advantage. Molecule clients will generally send and get installments in their preferred money through brilliant agreements, as Atom handles the change through nuclear trades between cross-chain crypto resources. More benefits follow. Multifunctional credits of Atom empower expanded utilizations of existing applications including security and well-being of information and exchanges. Atom guarantees openness, particularly in various layer arrangements. Variety of application stages presented on Atom, making a strange encounter. Intertradability is one more key component of Atom through DEXs. Mechanism of Atom empowers scalability. Features supporting portable applications and engineer units are incredibly easy to use and have their free calculation. A plenty of DeFi applications can be posted on Atom side chains. Universe, ATOM, historical data and technical analysis. Unpredictability is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Cosmos too. In December 2019, Cosmo began its progressive yet consistent exhibition. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull run in March 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its extraordinary exhibition. Universe has beaten a record gain according to crypto figures by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging. The help level is $29.936 and obstruction level is $33.325. Universe forecast, market sentiment. The more, the merrier, thus the more the specialists, the more the feelings for Cosmos, ATOM, cost expectations, news. Based on our cost forecasts in Cosmos cost examination, a drawn-out increment is normal at Cosmos, ATOM, value. The guess for 2026 is $173.331 in light of the ongoing developments. With a 5-year speculation, the cost activity income is supposed to be around plus 380.81% in the Cosmos cryptographic money market. As indicated by our Cosmos gauge and specialized investigation, the Atom could exchange around $44.95 toward the finish of 2022 and $73.68 by 2025. In light of the ongoing cost and our atom cost expectation information, the Cosmos ATOM cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year. Our cost forecasts bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. Future atom cost is anticipated at $73.55541 following a year as per our cost figure. In light of our atom cost expectation, the greatest worth may be around $33.52, a base cost of $26.19 toward the finish of 2022. The typical Cosmos ATOM cost for December 2022 may be $21.70. Universe cost estimates toward the finish of 2023 may be around $46.60. Universe price prediction, 2022 to 2026. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected enormous force. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25. However, from that point onward, it plunged to $17. Then, at that point, from last month, Cosmos again denoted a monstrous meeting and enlisted another unsurpassed high of $32.14. Be that as it may, as of late, it confronted a sharp decay. Universe cost today waits around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a flowing inventory of $286,370,297 atom. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos ATOM is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Universe price prediction 2022. As per Atom expectation, with various organizations and joint efforts and local area financing, the cryptographic money market glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful yet most likely plausible toward 2022 in the transient's end. Universe price prediction 2023. With any progressions in government arrangements and guidelines, the atom cost might have its portion of cloudy days. In the event that atom cost holds the help at the 100 SMA solidly, purchasers will then, at that point, have adequate opportunity to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and strength. In the main, a portion of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of atom may be around $75. Universe price prediction 2024. Dashing up to peak won't be